After collecting project requirements, project team tries to define which of these requirements are making more value to the business and to the project. For this, they are using prioritization techniques, and one of these techniques is the paired comparison method or model. Paired comparison is to compare each requirement or each feature to each other independently in order to define which of these features are the most valuable and are the most relevant. Let's take an example. If we have 5 features, we need first to create a table and list all these features in rows and columns. Then we make this part gray and we start to compare feature A with feature B. Let's select feature A and then feature A to feature C and then feature A to feature D. After completing this table, we try to collect how many times we count C and how many times we get A, how many times we get E, and based on the score, we order these features. Based on this table, feature C should be executed first, and then feature A, and then feature E.